Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add meta title and description in Hostinger Website Builder. First thing I want you to do is just go to hpanel.hostinger.com. From the left hand section, click on websites and then click on edit website for the specific website you want to add a meta title and description for. Now once this loads up, what I want you to do here in the left hand panel, you will actually see SEO. Okay, I want you to click on this and you'll see the different pages for your website. So what I want you to do is just go ahead and go to any of these and then scroll down, right? You see focus keywords. You'll see the SEO title. You can go ahead and add your own titles here, your own meta description, okay? And you can add more keywords if you want, right? Really easy. And then you can just go ahead and close this. It'll automatically save. You'll see your search result previews. If you want, you can generate with AI. Look at this. They have an AI SEO assistant, so you can generate new SEO information. Just tell them about your website. Okay, right there. And then just proceed. Page description. Select keywords for your website, right? Go ahead and next. And then you'll see your search engine appearance right there. SEO title, meta description, finish, and it'll generate it for you. Okay? Really that easy, as you can see. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash the like button, subscribe to App Mentor.